stop. If you're about to buy Ohanashi AI Gen, you need to watch this first. Because this AI tool claims it can instantly generate professional Japanese-style stories, scripts and content using AI, and that sounds impressive, but the real question is it actually useful or just another overhyped AI tool? In this honest Ohanashi AI general review, I'll break down exactly what it does, who it's for, the real pros and cons, and I'll also show you how to get my $497 bonus bundle for free if you decide to grab it. Let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're into AI tools, content creation, storytelling, video scripts, or digital publishing, this review is going to save you a lot of time and money. This is not hype, just a clear breakdown so you can decide if Ohanashi AI Gen is right for you. What is Ohanashi AI Gen? So, what exactly is Ohanashi AI Gen? Ohanashi AI Gen is an AI-powered story and content generation platform designed to create high-quality Japanese-style narratives, scripts, dialogues and creative content, instantly. Instead of struggling with writing stories from scratch, creating scripts for videos, manga, anime-style content or spending hours brainstorming ideas, this tool uses AI to generate complete stories, scenes and creative text in minutes. It's cloud-based, beginner-friendly and requires no writing experience. Key features and benefits here are the most important features, and why they actually matter. AI story and script generator create full-length stories, short stories, dialogues and scripts with just a few inputs. Perfect for YouTube storytellers, short-form video creators, writers, marketers and AI content publishers. Japanese-inspired storytelling style. Ohanashi focuses on authentic Japanese narrative structures, making it ideal for anime-style storytelling, manga-inspired scripts, visual novels and creative fiction. This is something most generic AI tools don't specialize in. Beginner-friendly dashboard. No complicated setup. Just choose your style, enter prompts and generate content instantly. Multiple use cases. You can use Ohanashi AI General for YouTube scripts, story-based videos, ebooks, AI art, storytelling, social media content, creative writing projects. One tool, many income or content opportunities. Time-saving automation. What used to take hours can now be done in minutes, allowing you to scale content fast. Honest pros and cons. Let's be honest, no tool is perfect. Pros: extremely fast content creation, unique Japanese storytelling angle, great for beginners and creators, no writing skills required, cloud-based and no downloads. Cons: best results come with good prompts, not designed for technical or factual writing. Creative focused, not for business reports or analytics. If your goal is creative storytelling and content, this is a strong win. WHO should use Ohanashi AI Gen? Ohanashi AI Gen is perfect if you are a YouTube or Shorts creator, a storyteller or writer and AI content creator, someone who wants to monetize creative content or anyone who wants to save time using AI. If that sounds like you, keep watching. If you grab Ohanashi AI General through my link below, you'll get my exclusive $497 bonus bundle absolutely free. Here's what you get. Bonus number 1. AI Story Prompt Vault, $97, 50 high-converting prompts specifically designed for Ohanashi AI General. Bonus number 2. Faceless YouTube Story Video Blueprint, $77, step-by-step guide to turn AI stories into faceless YouTube videos. Bonus #330 viral story hooks and openings, $67. Hooks that keep viewers watching till the end. Step-by-step guide to turn AI stories into faceless YouTube videos. Bonus number 4. AI Story Monetization Guide, $97. How to monetize AI-generated stories using YouTube, ebooks and shorts. Bonus number 5. DFY Canva Story Thumbnails, $67, high-click thumbnail templates for story-based videos. Bonus number 6. Email swipes for AI content creators, $47, promote AI tools or story content easily. Bonus number 7. Commercial Use License Guide, $45, how to safely use AI-generated stories for profit. Total value, $497, free with your purchase. So, is Ohanashi AI General worth it? If you want a unique AI storytelling tool that helps you create creative content faster, yes, it's worth grabbing. Especially when you factor in my $497 bonus bundle, this becomes a no-brainer. Click the link in the description now to grab Ohanashi AI Gen plus unlock my bonuses instantly and start creating AI-powered stories today. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next review.